Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have learned about React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all videos which we have done about React 18. So today video will be also really helpful and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well because it will be also giving you help moving forward. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to build this project. So today we are also working with React 18 like in the previous videos we were working with. So just in this video I'll be telling you what is React 18 different tag. Like previously on we were learning about different things. We have learned about same element. Then I've also told you about React transition in the previous video. So in this video we'll be now learning about what is React animation. Like previously on we have learned about React transition. So now in this video I'll be telling you what is React animation and how to work with this React animation using React 18. We have learned about React animation when we were using only React.js, but we have not learned when we are using React 18. So now I'll be telling you how to use React animation when you are working with React 18. So this video will be really helpful and I hope you'll be enjoying this video. So if you enjoy it, just understand this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can see my all the coming up videos. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing project of React animation using React 18. So just like I've told you, we'll be working with React 18 and today I'll be telling you how to build an amazing project using React 18 and we are just working with React animation. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing how to work with React animation and what is React animation in React 18. So for working with React animation, here I will be opening my VS Code. So you can see directly I have opened my VS Code, and after opening VS Code, you have to open a folder from which we were working. So our folder was in local disk C, which we have created using React 18. So this was our folder app1. I'll be pressing select folder to open this. You can see our folder has been opened. This was our main file from which we were working in the previous videos as well. So I will be running my React 18 app by writing the command of npm start. So you can see I've written this command and now our React 18 app will be running on our default Microsoft Edge browser. So these were the things which we have done in the previous video when we were learning about the project here. So I will be erasing this all stuff. Then I'll be moving to app.css as well and erasing the things from here as well. So in the previous video, we have just learned about same element, and in the coming up video, we'll be learning about more other things using React 18. But in this video, I'll be telling you what is React animation. Like previously, we have learned about React transition. So just now we'll be starting with that. But before that, we have to see our React 18 app is running or not. It will be running in our default Microsoft Edge browser, and it will be compiling all the stuff in that because I've erased all the things from here. You can see starting development server, and here it is our Microsoft Edge which is running. So I'll be doing side by side. Coding side should be bigger, so I'll be making it bigger here. Then I will be closing my side panel because we will be only needing our two files. One is this app.css and one is app.js, which is our main file. So I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel, and it is again starting our development server. Now it is saying compiled successfully, and now we are getting nothing on our browser because I have erased everything from here. Now here I will be just moving to my file here, which is my main file, and from here I will be changing the title. So today we are learning about React animation, so I will be giving it the title as React animation. Safe title has been changed, you can see here. Now I'll be just moving to my app.js file again, close this file from here. After moving to this file, here you have to move under the div, and after moving in this div, we will be starting to codes. So now for working with React animation, first of all, we have to create a text in which we have to give animation. So I will be now making a h1 text here. So I will be now just giving a text like this. And after making this text, I will be writing here animation. So in this animation text, I will be giving some animation. To give animation to this text, you have to first of all take this text in the center. So for taking this text in center, here we will be using h1 tag. And here I will be writing text align center. Right here padding top, which should be 200. Save here. You can see now our text is in center of the page here. Now you can just align. You can give text effect here as well if you want to give. First of all, I will be moving to Google and giving it some font effect. So I'll be giving it cool font effect. So I'll be going to Google font here. After moving to Google font, I will be moving to fonts, and here I will be writing the font name which I want to give here. So now I will be writing here Roboto. So you will be getting many of the fonts of Roboto type. You can take any of them here if you want mono condensed. So you can take any of one them. So here I will be taking this Roboto condense, I think it will be good. So here I'll be pressing this select bold, and this is the Roboto condense which we are getting import, and here we are getting this. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be copying this, and after copying, just you have to erase it, and I will be moving at the top and pasting it. Remember to erase this style tag because we will be not needing it here, and also this thing. So now we have erased all this stuff. So now I will be just giving the font family here. So I'll be writing font family Roboto. So here I will be writing Roboto, comma, sans serif. Save here. You can see we are getting the font family of Roboto here, but you can see here it is written Roboto condensed. So here I will be writing Roboto condensed like this. Save. You can see now we have just changed it into Roboto condensed. So now you can just give its font weight to bold or light. It's your choice what you have to do. So you can take this font weight 900. Save. So its font weight will be changing into 900. You can see you can increase its font size as well. So for increasing the font size, here you have to go, and here I will be now just writing font size 60 pixels. Save. Font size has been increased, you can see. Now here I will be just giving the background effect of this. So I will be moving on the page, and after moving here you have to write background black, and then you have to just give it the text effect color white. Save here, and you can see now background has been changed into black. We are getting the color white, so we have to give animation in that. So I'll be writing h1 hover, right here cursor pointer, and here I will be now just giving it the effect of like border. This should be one pix solid, and then I will be writing here white, and then I will be now just writing color, and here I will be now writing like crimson like this. Save. And then here if I just hover on this, you can see we are getting hover effect. I think border should be raised because I think it is just too much. Now we are just getting a hover effect here, but we are not getting a transition. So I'll be putting transition 0.5 as animation, and in animation I'll be writing like this cubic bezier 1001. So here we have just given it animation. Save here. Now we are just getting animation, and we are just getting the effect of our text as well. So like this we can just give animation on our text using React 18. I hope you understand how we have done that. So you can increase it also to 0.9 if you want to increase. So it will be taking some time, and it will be giving beauty to your text. You can see how good looking is that. So this was our project here of React animation. I hope you understand how to give animation to text using React 18, and I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so I can just upload more videos like that. And remember to check my previous React 18 videos because that will also giving you help. So just I'll be meeting next project. So for today, good bye.